What I want to talk about now is the FDA and how do you get your product submitted and across the finish line for a 510K. You may think it's a relatively straightforward process and that all the rules are out there, but it's not. There are plenty of people that say they've done this hundreds and hundreds of times and they still fail. And it's because the bar keeps getting raised by the FDA. The rules of the game keep changing. And we need to stay focused and engaged on this on a regular basis. So don't just read something real quick and think you can understand it. If you haven't been in the industry, you will struggle to be successful. It's not just like contract law where it says 4 things and you write the 4 things and you win. You have to know the intent of those 4 things and give the 8 things that they're expecting instead of the 4 things they asked for. So it's a very difficult process. People that have been doing this over and over again, we understand how the game is played and how it changes. And so we're used to having those conversations with the FDA and pushing that stuff forward. So you want to talk to them early and often. You want to make sure that you're delivering exactly what you need to deliver. Don't expect them to tell you what to do because they won't tell you. They'll tell you to go read some more documents. Once you get into that submission and that review, you can be guaranteed there's going to be problems. It's not going to be like, oh, thank you. You've produced this great report and I'm very happy. Here's your clearance. It's typically, great, here's a list of the 47 things that aren't exactly the way I want. Can you explain these things to me? Sometimes the documents are already in the submission. The explanation is already there, but you've got a point now, again, to help them answer the questions. Some of it's driven by the timeline of the government and what they can actually get done in that window. So you got to be focused, have the right people on the team in order to be successful. So if you want to, check out our website and give us a call. We'll have a conversation about how to make you successful with the FDA.